Softgen AI is here, and today I'm giving you 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or someone just interested in the latest tech, this review will give you the insights you need to decide if Softgen AI is right for you. Let's dive right in. Softgen AI is a game changer for digital marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to level up their automation. With its user-friendly interface and impressive features, it promises to make your workflows smoother and more efficient than ever before. But what's the real deal? Let's break it down. First, Softgen AI excels in its ability to create highly customized automated workflows. You don't need to be a tech expert to set this up. It's built for users who want to save time and enhance productivity. The drag-and-drop interface makes creating automated systems as simple as possible. Whether you're setting up email marketing campaigns or managing customer interactions, Softgen AI takes the complexity out of the equation. Another standout feature is its AI-powered content generation. For anyone looking to streamline their content creation process, this tool uses advanced algorithms to generate text that's engaging and relevant. Whether you're working on blog posts, ad copy, or social media content, it provides a huge time-saving advantage while maintaining quality. But what about integrations? Softgen AI doesn't fall short here. It integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Google Analytics, MailChimp, and Shopify, allowing you to connect all your tools into one centralized dashboard. This gives you a comprehensive view of your campaigns, making it easier to track results and make data-driven decisions. Softgen also offers robust analytics and reporting. If you're someone who values data-driven insights, this feature will be a game changer. You can easily track performance, adjust strategies, and optimize your campaigns all in real time. The software also uses predictive analytics, helping you stay ahead of trends and opportunities, which is especially valuable in fast-paced industries. Now, let's talk about the flexibility of Softgen AI. It's designed for scalability, meaning it's just as useful for a solo entrepreneur as it is for a large corporation. Whether you need a simple automation system or a more complex, multifaceted AI solution, Softgen can grow with you. And the best part? The pricing is competitive, making it an accessible option for businesses of all sizes. But how does it compare to other AI software on the market? What makes Softgen stand out is its focus on simplicity. While many AI tools offer a ton of features, they can be overwhelming. Softgen, on the other hand, cuts through the noise and focuses on delivering key functionalities that save you time and drive results. For digital marketers, this is a massive benefit. You get the power of AI without the unnecessary complexity. And finally, let's talk about customer support. Softgen AI offers 24/7 support, so you're never left in the dark. Whether you need help setting up a feature or troubleshooting an issue, the support team is responsive and knowledgeable, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. So, should you give Softgen AI a try? If you're looking for an AI tool that offers a balance of simplicity, power, and flexibility, it's definitely worth considering. Plus, you can try Softgen AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. No commitment required. In conclusion, after testing thousands of AI software solutions, Softgen AI stands out as one of the best on the market right now. If you want to enhance your productivity and streamline your digital marketing efforts, this software should definitely be on your radar. For my top recommendations of AI software that I've personally tested and trust, be sure to check the description for links to the best tools you can try for free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of the latest tech.